Very good afternoon, children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 11 from 8th class. Today topic is comparing quantities using proportions, which is from exercise 5.2. Let us discuss assignment question. The first question is the price of a sugar goes up by 20%. By how much percent must a housewife reduce her consumption so that the expenditure does not increase? So that the expenditure does not exist. For example, a product cost is 100 rupees is there. So what about this one? If the price of sugar goes up by 20% means what? It will 100 will become 120. Okay. So that let consumption of originally be 100 kg prices is, let me take prices is 100 rupees. Now what will become? Now price, okay, if there is a increasing 20% in cost, so that 100 will become 120. Let's take now price of 100 kg sugar. Price of 100 kg sugar is 120, or else can be taken as 120 rupees. Okay, so initially the cost of sugar is 100 rupees. After 20% increase, it will become 120 rupees, right? That is 120 rupees. Now, so 120 rupees. Now 120 rupees can fetch 120 rupees can fetch 100 kg sugar. 100 kg sugar. Yes, 120 rupees can fetch 100 kg sugar. Now rupees 100 rupees can fetch how much? Okay, so how much there is a reduction? How much? Yes, let's take, that is nothing but what? Let me take it as what? 100 upon how much increasing, that will become 120. No, that is 120 into 100. 120 into 100. So here it is 0 will get cancelled. It's cancelled. Here 2 6 are 2 5s are 2 6 and 2 5s are. Let's take, here it is 2 50s are and it is 3. So how many times 50 into 5 will become 250? That is 250 upon 3. 250 upon 3 kgs. That is 250 by 3 kgs. So how can you write this? Now we have to how much reduction in consumption? That is reduction in consumption. So reduction in consumption means we need to subtract this 250 by 3 kgs from 100. Okay, that is nothing but what? 100 minus 250 by 3 percentage. 250 by 3 percentage. This will become what? 300 minus 250, that is 50 upon 3 percentage. Yes. So what about this one? 50 by 3, can you write in mixed fraction? It can be written as what? 16 into 2 by 3. 16 2 by 3 percentage. So that how much reduction in the consumption? That is nothing but what? 16 2 by 3% need to reduce in a consumption. So let us move on to the second question. Kishan spends 30% of his salary on food and donates 3% of his salary in a temple. In a particular month, he spends 231 rupees on these two items. So what is his total salary for this month? So we need to calculate what is the salary of Kishan. Yes, in particular month. Let's take Kishan total salary. Kishan total salary B or S 100 rupees. B 100 rupees. Let us consider it is 100 rupees is the salary of Kishan. Let's take his expenditure. How much it is? Expenditure is 30% on his food. Okay, that is expenditure. Yes, expenditure on food. So how can you write expenditure on food? How can you write it is 30%. Let me take is 30% of 30% of total salary. How much it is? 100. That is 100. So let us consider it is how much? 30 upon 100 into 100. Here 100 will get cancelled. So what is amount? That is 30 rupees. Amount is 30 rupees. That is expenditure on food. Okay. So let's take what is next one. What is the expenditure? Donation per month in a temple. That is donation per month in a temple. In a temple, how much it is? That is 3%. No, so donates 3% of his salary in a temple. That is 3% of 100. 3% of 100. Let me take it as what it is, 3 upon 100 into 100. So what about this one? It is totally 3 rupees. Okay, the donation per month in a temple is how much it is? 3 rupees. Now what is the total expenditure? The total expenditure, let me take the total expenditure. The total expenditure can be written as what? 30 plus 3. That is Rs 30 plus 3 rupees. Total how much it is? 33 rupees. Totally 33 rupees. Now this is the total expenditure by Kishan. That is 33 rupees. If 33 rupees is the expenditure, so what is that salary? Okay, if, so let me take, if Rs 33 is expenditure is 33 rupees is expenditure on salary how much? That is 100 rupees. So first of all, what we have considered is 100 rupees is the salary of Kishan. So that 33 rupees is the expenditure on salary 100 rupees. Similarly, if Rs 1 rupee, if Rs 1 rupee is expenditure, now what will be the salary? It will become, then salary, it will become what? It will become totally 100 by 33. 100 by, that is Rs 100 by 33. Okay, if expenditure is 33, what is the salary? That is 100. Next, if expenditure is 1 rupees, what about his salary? That is 100 by 33. 100 by 33. Similarly, he is given, no, if for example in a particular month he spends 231 on these two items, in this case what is the salary of Kishan? So let's take, if Rs 231 is expenditure, for example, if 231 is the expenditure, in this case what will become his salary? His salary is salary. So for 1 rupee, what will become? It is 100 by 33. For example, if it is 231 means what? Into 233. That is 100 upon 33 into 231. So how many times it will cancel? This is 31, 33 ones are 33 7 times. Okay, so just multiply these two. The total is what? 100 into 7, it will become totally 700 rupees. This 700 rupees is nothing but what? The total salary of Kishan in that particular month. So let us move on to the multiple choice question. That is question number 3. That is 12% of rupees 1200. It is nothing but what can be written as 12% can be written as what? 12 by 100 into how much? That is 1200. It is 1200. Here 2 zeros will get cancelled. So let's, what is the product of this one? That is 12 into 12 will become 144. So which is correct option? Option 3 C is the correct option. Yes. Let's go for the fourth one. 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are good at it? Okay. Let's take, for example, number of students are good at mathematics is equal to what? 72% of 25. Yes, 72% of 25. So can you take, this is 72% can be written as by 100 into 25 into 25. How many times? 25 ones are 25 4. Yes, here it is 4 ones are 4 18s are. So there is total how much? 18. So this 18 is nothing but what? The number of students who are good at subject mathematics. Yes, so that option is what? First option is A option is the right option. Next, for example, if the question is how many students are not good at subject, means the total students are 25 out of 18. You have to subtract 18 from 25. Yes, 25 minus 18 will become 7. That 7 is nothing but what? Number of students who are not good at subject. 18 students are good at subject mathematics. Thank you.